Bullish ARK cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.22 and $2.65 by 2030. Market experts accept ARK could reach $1.22 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2022 is 21 cents. ARK presentation. ARK expects to make the most common way of making a blockchain simpler for people who believe that should do as such with the assistance of its biological system. Clients can redo different components, including expenses, cash, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential money interfacing this multitude of created networks together is called ARK. The ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late, notwithstanding having an overflow of utilization cases. We should study ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward hop into its cost forecast. What is ARK? Designers can assemble their own blockchain utilizing the ARK environment. Interoperability, formats, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own venture on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while chasing after a blockchain task might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as basic as could really be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the biological system's essential programming dialect. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin an engineer's blockchain. Information handles that can be redone incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Designers can arrange their groups utilizing the apparatus administration framework. The ARK Programming Advancement Unit, which gives additional customization choices including cache determination, is one of the designer apparatuses accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The biological system's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. For the most part, network clients and designers use it as a speedy and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. A signed confirmation of stake agreement is utilized by Bitcoin, in which 51 representatives are assigned to vouch for or fashion blocks. By permitting token holders to stake their tokens to pick a representative, ARK lessens the worries of centralization that have burdened different organizations. ARK Crucial Examination. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then, at that point. Regardless of the underlying absence of action, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest forward leap. Starting in December, the second cycle of ARK was delivered, and thus, its base cost esteem soar. That very day, its wallet was likewise refreshed, improving the agent casting a ballot UI. ARK took off to a greatest worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this greatest cost level, however, and during the next months it fell sharply. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had altogether declined from $1 shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its resulting bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged beneath past normal cost. Jerk's joining of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it workable for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK. The biological system likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its greatest cost ascend to $3.98. Soon thereafter in September, ARK again moved toward that level. The organization's third adaptation went live. This redesign upgraded the biological system's devices, framework, and numerous different highlights. It saw one more meeting in 2022 as another update to Form 3 went live, which fixed messes with and further developed security. ARK topped at a most extreme worth of $1.67 then, yet has since fallen and is exchanging at any rate cost of 77 cents. ARK Specialized Examination. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for ARK. As per wallet investors' value projection of the ARK coin, it is an astounding speculation that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK digital money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years, the ARK cost estimate is at a most extreme cost worth of $21. Price Prediction made a comparative figure, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the most extreme cost of ARK money will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK current cost. ARK is as of now worth 27 cents USD. ARK has moved 2.86% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,160,770. ARK is as of now positioned 381 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $38,432,851 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for ARK to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. ARK Value Expectation 2022. ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ARK cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 40 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 37 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of 32 cents. ARK Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform 67 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ARK's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 54 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 59 cents. ARK Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 94 cents and ARK might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 86 cents and a low of 81 cents in 2024. ARK Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that ARK effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2025. The ARK is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.22, with a base cost of $1.08 and a typical cost of $1.14. ARK Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ARK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.41 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.35 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ARK has a most extreme value worth of $1.49. ARK Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.68. In the event that ARK figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $1.76. Neglecting to assemble the help ARK needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.63. ARK Value Forecast 2028. While ARK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.90 and a yearly cost close above $2.03 in 2028. ARK Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, ARK will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.17 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.30, averaging out at $2.22.